Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to build a login screen like this screen is visible to you using Jetpack Compose. So if I click on this, if I enter some information like I do something else, any information if I write here like this way, wrong information, and I click on login button, so it display username and password is incorrect, and if username and password is correct, then it will open a next activity. So we are going to build such kind of activity or login screen, the working login screen, and we will run one more intent also by using this application. So in this video we will learn from the beginning to the end how to generate such kind of login activity, login app using Jetpack Compose. So just we click here, click on new project, and here we select the empty compose activity, then next, and here I give the name to this login Jetpack Compose like this, and you see that, remember, only Kotlin is visible, no other language is visible because Jetpack is not supported in Java. So when open this, so we have this, the older one, so I close this one, we have a new activity like this. So you see, if I click on a split window, it will say refresh and build. So if I click on refresh and build, it will design a layout. You see this hello world is visible here. Now what I do, I just change the name of this function to login function, and here I remove any parameter, and here I change the name to login, and no need to pass any parameter like this, no need to pass such kind of parameter like this. Again here also just I need this login for rendering information like this. So this is coming here, we can refresh it. Now what I do, just I create a column under this, so I say column like this, and under this column I say modifier, then modifier dot fill max size like this, and we may have alignment also. So here I say horizontal alignment centrally, and vertical arrangement, and here I say arrangement to the center, so automatically it will come to the center. And now we come here inside this, so I put this text box here, and I say here login information, and we say font size equal to 30 sp like this, and we import the sp. Now we try to rebuild it to see the layout. You see, this login information is coming here. Now what I do, I set the padding also here, and I say padding, and I set to 20 dp. Now we can set color also. If we want, we can give color also to this text, color dot red, like this. Now I run once again. So after this login information text field, text view, I want to display just down of it a text field. So for that we say outline text field, like this, and here we want to set two value. If I set username, so I have to take value also in this function, and I say val username equal to remember, and here I want to take the mutable state of, and here I will keep it blank. Similarly, one more variable I will take for password. Remember, the value of text field will be stored in this variable, so we say password, like this. Now I have to pass here the variable on which text field will return the value, so that would be username dot value, like this, and here I want to pass your username dot value equal to it. So return value will come in this variable. So if anything change in the text field, then it will come here in this variable, and if any value is there, it will go to the value. So inside this text field, what we do, I need a color, because you see if I rebuild it and I run it, so I will have a text field. You see, text field is there, it is visible to me like this. Now I want to add one small you can say button, a small icon here. So for that we have a property leading icon here, and in this icon what we do, we have icon and here what we do, I pass icons dot default dot person, the person icon here, image vector, we want image vector here, so I say image vector, like this, and here in content description I want to give that it is username. Remember, try to run it once again. You see the person is coming here, and maybe that sometime in your screen, if this person is not coming, means it is coming but is showing in white color. So what we can do, we can use a tint property here. Suppose it's coming here black, I don't want to use black, I want to use it red. So we can give here one more property is called tint, and here we can give the color dot red, like this, and you will see that it will become red now. You see it coming red. Similarly, if I want to add a label to this, So we can take label also like this, and here in label we can put the text. And we give the property here that username like this, rebuild it. So because of the label it will display here username. You see username is coming here. Similarly, if you want to change the color of this username, you can also do just comma and say color equal to, and we can say color dot red like this. Again rebuild. So one text field is ready. Similarly, just we copy this like that, and I paste once again one more, and here in place of username I say password. Similarly, I say here password, and icon in place of person we can put icon of information like this, and as a description in place of username we can put here password like this. Now in place of text we can put here password. You see one more is coming. Now after that I want to use a button, so I say outline button like this. In this button we have a on click. So after this what I do, here I put a text, and here I say login, and I just increase the size of this to, I say font size, I say 30.sp, and I just refresh it. You see login is coming, but I want to set this, they should use a maximum width. So for that what I can do, maximum width I want to set for this button. So what I can do, I can set here a property that modifier like this, and I say modifier dot fill max width like this, and refresh it. You see fill max width, we have a proper width. Similarly, I want to set the maximum width to this text outline text field also. So copy this, and after this value what I do, I set a max here, max field, just I copy this and set paste this like this and refresh. You see similarly I can set this to this text field also like this, and similarly I can set to this login also. So after this, so we rebuild again, so we will have a maximum width as per the screen size. You see now we want to put this in center. So we say that text alignment should be center like this. You see, and we have a blue color here of login button, so we can change the color also. We say color equal to color dot red, all are red, so we want to change it to red again. You see how simple it is to design a layout using Jetpack Compose. Rebuild and refresh. You see login is also designed. Now I want to click on this and I want to validate the login, and I want to open a new activity. To open a new activity, what I do, I just create one more activity here, and I say I need a compose activity, so empty compose activity, and I say here that welcome activity. I don't want to make it launcher, so just do this, and we have a welcome activity here. Now what I do, I just pass here that welcome to login, your welcome to, you can say, Jetpack compose. Okay, and I just remove this hello like this. So build and refresh. So we will have welcome to Jetpack, and the name of this activity is welcome. So when we will click on that login button, this welcome will open. This preview is coming because of the this one, because preview come only by this way. So we just change the preview also. You see preview is changed. Now go to first activity, and here what we do, we just make a coding here that if username dot value dot equal is Vipin, my name, and just I do coding now, and password dot value dot equal is equal to Kumar, or we can say classes, my channel name Dr. Vipin classes. So now we open new activity. So say val intent equal to, and we say here intent, and we say here on that application context. You see here application context is not coming, remember that. So we can do local context dot current. So it need composable function. So such kind of problem we face when we open a intent here. So what is the solution for this? Just cut this whole function, login function, and cut this preview function also here, select it and cut it and paste inside a class like this. Remember that, paste inside a class. So now what I do here, I say now application context coming, application context is coming now, and we say welcome activity like this, and we say start activity here, and I say intent. So this activity will start, else we say toast make test application context username or password is incorrect. You see, so we have check here username and password, and now we see layout we have. Now we try to run this on emulator. Click on it. You see, if I put here anything, any name, and here also I put any name like this, and I click on login, so it says username and password incorrect. But if I put the right one, that Vipin, and I put the password classes like this, and I click on login, and you see the welcome to Jetpack Compose new activity is open in front of you. So this way you can design your own login screen. I have given example of login screen. You can design as per your choice, and you can open intent also as I given you example. It's very easy, you see, and remember that when we pass here application context, it generate error because by default these function all declare outside of the class. So we have to cut this and paste inside a class so that they become the part of activity and application. So we can pass here application context. So this is the way to design a login screen. I think you have learned something from this video. If you really learn something, kindly appreciate my video, like this video, share this video, and subscribe my channel. If you already subscribed, thanks for it, and thank you for watching this video.